In today's video, we're reviewing the top 8 camping tents of 2025. From spacious family tents to ultralight backpacking models, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more top tech picks. First up, we have the Coleman Evanston screened camping tent. This weatherproof dome tent is perfect for families or groups. It fits up to 8 people comfortably with a 15 by 12 feet interior and a 6 feet center height. It's spacious enough for 2 queen-size airbeds, so no one will feel cramped. Plus, the included screened porch keeps bugs away, giving you a bug-free space to relax and enjoy the outdoors. And don't worry about the rain. Its welded corners and inverted seams keep water out. Set it up in just 15 minutes with the conventional pitch and you're ready to go. If you want a tent that's both comfortable and practical, this one's a great choice. Next, let's talk about the CAMPROS CP Tent, a fantastic 8-person family tent. It features 5 large mesh windows, perfect for ventilation during those hot summer nights. Setting it up is a breeze with its color-coded poles, no special skills required. Plus, you get the bonus of a room divider, giving you the option of separate spaces inside the tent for extra privacy. With weather-resistant materials and sealed seams, this tent holds up against the elements. Whether you're camping, attending a festival, or even on a hunting trip, this tent is versatile enough to handle it all. For the minimalist camper, the GEERTOP Ultralight 2-person backpacking tent is a top pick. Weighing just 2.6 kilograms, this tent is perfect for solo or couple adventures. The double-layer design keeps condensation out while offering ventilation, even on hot summer nights. This 4-season tent is also waterproof with a PU 3000mm coating, ideal for any weather conditions, including snow. And the best part? It takes just 5 to 8 minutes to set up, making it easy even for beginners. If you're planning a hiking or mountaineering trip, this tent is your reliable companion. Now, for a quick setup option, check out the 2 4-person instant tent. This tent is a game changer with its instant setup feature. You can have it ready in just 60 seconds. Perfect for those who don't want to spend too much time pitching a tent. The 8 feet by 8 feet interior is roomy enough for a queen-size mattress, and the 5 breathable mesh windows provide excellent airflow. This weatherproof tent also features PU taping on the rainfly seams, so you'll stay dry even during heavy rain. If you're looking for an easy-to-set-up, spacious tent, this one's for you. Next, we've got the UNP 6-person camping tent, designed for family camping. The spacious 10 by 9 feet interior is perfect for families with kids, and the 78-inch center height means you can stand up comfortably inside. Setup is a breeze, and the 5 mesh windows ensure excellent ventilation. Plus, with its waterproof coating and steel leg poles, it's sturdy and windproof, making it great for all-weather camping. The durable construction ensures it lasts for years, making it a solid investment for family adventures. Another great option for families is the Ayamaya 6-person easy pop-up tent. This pop-up tent sets up in seconds thanks to its pre-assembled poles. The spacious interior comfortably fits up to 6 people, and the unique vestibule provides extra storage space for gear, shoes, or even pets. The tent is designed with excellent ventilation, featuring 2 doors and 4 mesh windows. It's also waterproof with a high-quality coating, keeping you dry during unexpected rainstorms. If you want convenience and room for the whole family, this tent should be on your radar. For the solo adventurer or couples, the Camel Crown 2-person dome tent offers excellent value. This 4-season tent is built to withstand tough weather conditions with its durable materials and waterproof design. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and designed with great ventilation to keep the air circulating during warm weather. Perfect for hiking, camping, or even backpacking, it's a reliable, compact option that doesn't skimp on comfort or protection. And last, the Echosmile Camping Instant Tent. Available in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10-person sizes, this tent sets up in just 10 seconds, so you can start your adventure right away. With a 51.18-inch center height and spacious design, it's perfect for sleeping bags or pads. Its durable fiberglass poles are reinforced with steel for extra strength, and the double-panel doors and mesh windows provide great ventilation. Water-resistant, windproof, and with UV protection, this tent is ready for all weather, but avoid using it in extreme conditions. Ideal for 3-season camping. So there you have it, 8 of the best camping tents of 2025. Whether you're planning a family trip or a solo adventure, there's a tent for every need and budget. Don't forget to check the description for links to all these products. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more camping tips and gear reviews.